I'm gonna get my cousin Javier more subscribers because he only has 3. And he's had his channel way longer than me.
Always a bit.
Get away!
Happy Super Bowl!
I'm getting you more subscribers, boy.
Happy Super Bowl!
Boy!
Slap you.
I'll slap you if you slap me. I'll slap
Alright. I'll slap you 10 times as hard.
I'll slap you 20 times as hard.
I'll slap you 30 times as hard.
I'll slap you 1,000,000 times harder.
I'll slap you 2,000 times harder.
That's still not more than mine. I said 1,000,000, you said 200,000.
Well, I'll slap 1,000,000 times harder. Okay, that's the same thing. So
Yeah.
Well, I'll hit you 2,000,000 times as hard.
I'll hit you. Javi, I'm trying to give you more subscribers. Now shut up. Get away from my screen.
That was the bear. Oh, that's the bear. My boy.
On second thought, don't.
Elizabeth's my boy.
She's a girl.
Elizabeth's my boy.
He's mentally retarded, I think.
We winning up in here.
You want
He's winning.
You want the lead to 4.
We winning.
I don't care who's winning. Stop dropping your money or I'm gonna grab that.
This is $2 in Canadian. It doesn't be worth that much here.
Oh.
And plus, I wouldn't even use this.
Anyway, his YouTube channel is Max X.
No.
Money!
Yes, it's Max X Kill Game.
Yeah, Max X Kill Gaming.
15 to 6.
Super Bowl night, I'm a tomboy. I don't know, I don't pay attention. I'm just doing videos all day. All day, all night. Yeah, I'm so happy we don't have school tomorrow. My stomach starts again and I feel like I'm gonna puke. And why am I saying this on video? People forget all about that because... What package?
Butterfly.
You already have a butterfly knife. You have like...
comb. This one's a practice one.
Hey, can I have one of your knives? Mommy! Oh, no, Mommy.
No, you can't have my knife.
What time would that knife go in?
After you guys eat your dinner, you're the only two that haven't eaten yet.
I've eaten dinner.
I know you did. I'll give you guys all one up and we'll grab a beef turkey. So,
Yay!
if it gets too late though, they won't hit. So how do you find yourself something to eat, bro?
Hurry up, Poppy.
There's something in there you can eat. You don't gotta have spaghetti.
Yeah.
I'm saying. I don't know what you're gonna have for dinner tonight. So have it though. Okay, so you get yours. If you guys want.
Morgan Freeman and that midget do that one commercial for the Doritos Blazing on the
Stuff is on my screen.
yeah. That was Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, whatever. Put your hands back down, don't
Okay, people. Max X space. Holly, you make me sound retarded on my video. Not gonna do it. No, shut up. I don't give a crap. I know.
No.
See, he makes me so retarded.
No.
No.
Subscribe to Max X.
Don't subscribe to Max X Killer
Do it
Game.
now, and also put coin and Ariana's face.
Please subscribe. subscribe to his channel. I don't want my beautiful face ruined.
If I get to at least 2 subscribers.
You already have 3. You're past 2, Hobby.
If I can at least get to
4,
subscribers,
10. 10 subscribers, yes. So all of you people will subscribe to him. My 19 subscribers subscribe to his 3 subscribers. And then I'm using my leg to block my face. I've never been this close to me before. For sure. Ooh. I'll be right back. I gotta go get my high heel boots to show them. No.
I wasn't gonna do nothing. I was just gonna show you.
Max!
Yes, my dancing move.
Ew, there's blubber on his face. Get him away from my camera.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, Max. Now get up, Poppy.